Beautiful morning in London, nice weather, a little cold, 4 degrees, but it's nice sunny day. It's West End, central London. And this is the main high street in West End, Oxford Street. Everybody knows Oxford Street in London. This is where is all the brands have the shop, main shopping street. And that huge shop is Selfridges. There's a few stores up and few stores underground, and it's one of the most known shop in London. There's everything inside, from jewelry, perfume, clothes, all the designers, famous brands are there. And it's just this nice clock. The street is still empty because it's morning, 10. Normal in the afternoon it's not possible to passing here. So many people, especially in the summertime, tourists coming. It's very overcrowded. Right. So best wishes from London West End in the morning.